Welcome to today's video. We're presenting one of the most powerful and stunning SUVs of the year, the 2024 Lamborghini Urus Performante. But this isn't just any model. Modified by the experts at TopCar Design, this version features a full carbon fiber body, giving it a fierce look and better performance. Join us as we dive into the exciting details of this masterpiece. Let's start with what sets this car apart: the exterior design. In this TopCar edition, carbon fiber has been used across almost the entire exterior, giving it a unique touch and improved weight reduction. Carbon fiber not only adds to the aesthetics, but also enhances performance by lowering the weight. We see that the front end features a fully carbon fiber hood, with large air vents for airflow and cooling the engine. The front bumper has been completely reworked to appear even bolder and more aggressive, making this version of the Urus one of a kind. With the added side vent grills, the exterior design conveys power from every angle. Moving to the side, carbon fiber touches enhance the mirrors, doors, and wheel arches, adding to the sporty and refined look. The rear is equally impressive, with TopCar adding a massive carbon fiber diffuser along with a large rear wing, providing incredible stability at high speeds. Finally, we see the quad titanium exhaust pipes, designed to match the car's aggressive lines. Now, let's talk about the heart of this beast, the engine. The 2024 Lamborghini Urus Performante comes with a 4.0-liter V8 twin-turbocharged engine, producing an astonishing 657 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. Thanks to this powerful engine, the Urus Performante accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.3 seconds, reaching a top speed of around 306 km per hour, making it one of the fastest sports SUVs in the world. An upgraded exhaust system further enhances the throaty sound of the engine, delivering that signature Lamborghini roar that can't be ignored. As for the suspension system, it has been specially developed to handle high speeds and off-road conditions, allowing the driver to switch between driving modes like sport and race, offering a tailored driving experience for all terrains. Moving inside, the 2024 Lamborghini Urus Performante reflects the same elegance and boldness as seen in the exterior design. Luxurious Alcantara leather is used on the seats, with intricate stitching that adds a sporty and luxurious touch. The seats are fully adjustable to provide maximum comfort for both the driver and passengers. As for technology, the car is equipped with an advanced infotainment system featuring a high-definition touchscreen that supports smartphone connectivity and includes a sophisticated navigation system and interactive display. There's also a heads-up display that projects driving information directly onto the windshield, keeping the driver's attention on the road. A Bang & Olufsen sound system adds an exceptional audio experience that perfectly matches a car of this class. In addition, TopCar has integrated carbon fiber touches throughout the interior, such as on the steering wheel, dashboard, and even door panels, completing the sporty feel that adds to the car's performance-focused character. So, what about the driving experience? If you're looking for raw power and the perfect balance between speed and control, then the Urus Performante Modified by TopCar delivers exactly that. With its lighter weight and carbon fiber additions, the car feels more agile and responsive, especially on sharp turns. The sports mode makes the car feel even more aggressive in its response, with a turbo boost kicking in as you press down on the accelerator, giving you that exhilarating rush of forward momentum. And for those who love off-road driving, the car has a terrain mode that adjusts the suspension and height, allowing it to tackle the toughest landscapes with confidence. In conclusion, the 2024 Lamborghini Urus Performante Modified by TopCar Design combines stunning design with top-tier performance, with unique carbon fiber touches that make it one of the most beautiful and powerful SUVs on the market today. If you're a car enthusiast looking for raw power and unique design, this Urus model is the perfect choice. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with your friends. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews of sports and luxury cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.